Hello. Today I will tell you what the P0172 error code means, its symptoms, causes, and how to fix it. If you want to get more information on vehicle maintenance and repair, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Let's get started now. The P0172 error code means that your vehicle's engine control unit detects that the fuel air mixture contains too much fuel. In other words, the engine is running a rich mixture. This can increase your fuel consumption, reduce performance, and damage engine components in the long run. So, what are the symptoms of this error? First of all, increased fuel consumption is one of the most common symptoms. The engine, using too much fuel, causes the tank to empty faster than normal. In addition, black smoke can be observed from the exhaust. This means that unburned fuel is being expelled from the exhaust. Performance problems such as engine misfires, irregular idling, and difficult acceleration are also related to this error. Now, let's look at the possible causes of this error. One of the most common causes of the code P0172 is a faulty sensor that measures the air-fuel ratio. In particular, when the mass airflow sensor or oxygen sensor are sending incorrect data, the engine may be sending more fuel. A dirty or faulty MAF sensor is sending incorrect airflow information to the engine, which can disrupt the fuel mixture. Another common cause is leak in the future injectors or over-injecting fuel. When the injectors are sending more fuel than necessary, the engine will run too rich, causing this error code. Also, if the fuel pressure regularity is faulty, the fuel pressure may be too high and the engine will be receiving too much fuel. To fix this problem, you can start by checking and cleaning the airflow sensor first. If the MAF sensor is dirty, you can clean it with a special cleaner spray and try again. If the problem persists, you may need to have oxygen sensors checked. When oxygen sensors are bad, they will miscalculate the fuel mixture and cause this error. You can also check the fuel injectors and fuel pressure regulator to determine if there is a leak. If the injectors are clogged or leaking, they may need to be cleaned or replaced. As a result, the P0172 error code can cause serious fuel efficiency issues and negatively affect your engine in the long run. However, by following the steps we mentioned above, you can diagnose and fix the problem. If the error persists, it is best to seek professional help.